Okay, there is mega peach salsa making in progress. Dominique has been chopping and chopping and chopping all day, and she just said to me, even the compost is beautiful. Look at this. We're not done yet, but I just said, oh, we have to share this. So peaches are from my trees. Maybe hold up that basket and show them the ones that aren't ripe yet. And we harvest. See, everything an herbalist does makes more work. I'll explain that in a minute. So these are the unripe ones, and there's still more on the trees. And they're little spindly trees. I swear to you, you would never think they were going to make this many peaches. And everything we do makes more work. So here's the peach pits, which after we bottle the salsa, which isn't done yet, it still needs lime and spices and cumin, and I'm going to put lime basil in because I have it in the garden. But after we do all that, then we're going to clean, or probably I will, because I think Dominique will be gone by then, but she has been working for hours. We will clean these peach pits and dry them for infusion or tincture. That's absolutely delicious and helps the liver. And then that part of the tomato is going into the tomato sauce that's cooking on the stove from my and other local gardener friends' tomatoes. Not a lot, just we have a little. I've eaten most of them. So anyway, I just saw this spread and thought, this is so beautiful. Let me share it in a YouTube video. So here's Dominique and me, and you're gonna have a lot of peach salsa to share, aren't I? Yes, I am. Green blessings. Take good care. Much love.